Hey guys, it's EarlyNoob here, back with another video on the channel. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make an E to open shop in Roblox Studio. So let's get into it. So first, you're going to want to make your shop. So you can either make it just a simple little, like, cylinder, like something from a simulator. Just like that. Or you can make like an actual shop. So, like, I'm gonna make a shopkeeper here. So I have this plugin called Load Character, and I'm just gonna put in me. So spawner 15 right there. There you go. I'll just name this shopkeeper. Let's just put it right here. Then I'm gonna make like a little table thing. Wait. Just duplicate this here. Okay. So that's not even. There we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a little part right here. You guys can skip this if you want, but you can also get ideas from this. Yeah. I'm just change this to like brown, and then change the material to wood. Also, turn the cash out because it's ugly. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now, you can add, so rename this to table. Okay, so now, once we have this, we're gonna add in the main function, which would be a proximity prompt. And here's where the fun part comes in. So you can name this to like anything. I'm just gonna call it shop. And keyboard code, I usually keep mine at F or E, so let's just make it F for this. And max activation distance, yeah, I'll just keep it as 10. Full duration, I'll make this like 5. Okay, so now I'm gonna want to go into starter GUI, add a screen GUI, and then add a frame. Just make this like this. You can customize it any way you want. I'm just gonna make this like a blue. Okay, this shop, and then I'll add the right one if why not. Okay, so now add in a text button. This will be a close button. I'm gonna put mine like right in the center. Background transparency, make that 1. Or you can also make an X in the corner, but I want to do something different for once and make it close. Change the font to vertical 1 because I like this font. You don't have to, but you can choose any font. Okay, now in text button, add a local script and do script.Parent.Visible. That's what I put function, and then like that, and then do script.Parent.Visible. False. So that's a close button script. So now we're gonna make our we're gonna make our closebound scripts. Okay, so now in shop, you're gonna add a local script. And so this will be our script. So we can do local proximity equals game.Workspace.Table.ProximityPrompt, or whatever you named proximity prompt. So now press enter and do proximity.Triggered connect function. Like so, and then do script.Parent.Visible equals true. So now we can go ahead and test this out. Also, make sure to make shop visible as not visible. So let's just spawn in. Oh, I just forgot. I need to anchor all this. So, yeah. Anchor and press play. Okay, so now that everything's anchored and doesn't fall apart this time, we can test it out. So Shopkeeper, see, we hold it and it goes around, and our shop pops up, just close, disappears. So yeah guys, that is how you make a E to open GUI in Roblox Studio. See ya!